In this video, in part 2 of designing a calculator mobile app, we are going to turn our low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity design. In the next video, in part 3, we are going to add some animation to our design and prototype it. So stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel we talk about user experience of digital products such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button and be around. Hi guys. Welcome to part 2 of designing a calculator mobile app. In this part, we are gonna turn our low fidelity wireframe to high fidelity UI. I'm already downloaded some of these icons for our buttons. I want to select all of these circles . Give it a stroke . And the fill color . Press T to write . I press I to select this blue color for our button . And also these icons . I give it absolute position so I can place it in the center of this button. I want this clear button to be different from other buttons. If you open Material Tree Design Kit, you can access to styles and components of material design. And also you can copy these styles into your frame. Okay, now it's the time for some presentation and mockup. I press A to select a frame. Rename it to mockup by Ctrl R. Place it right into my mockup frame, align it center. Press I to select this blue color. Maybe I change it a little bit. Give my main UI a corner radius. (32) is fine. Duplicate it. I want to make a shadow for our main frame, so I'll rename it to shadow. Press I and select this color. I change it to a lighter version, like this. I put it behind my frame and give it a rotation. 8 is fine. And maybe I draw a circle by O. Change its fill color to radial. I increase the size of it and press Alt H and Alt V to bring it to the center and send it back. Okay guys, our job is done. In this part we design it high fidelity and we design a mock-up for presentation. Have fun and goodbye.